Have you ever wondered why the heart is often seen as the center of emotion and connection in many cultures? From ancient civilizations to modern societies, the heart is universally recognized as a symbol of love, compassion, and connection. It's not just a beating organ inside our chest, but a profound emblem of our deepest emotions and relationships. Now imagine an energy center, a spinning wheel of life force residing in the same area. This, my friends, is the heart chakra, also known as Anahata in Sanskrit. It's not a physical entity, but a spiritual one, crucial to our emotional and spiritual well-being. It's our center of love and compassion, the bridge between our earthly and spiritual aspirations, and the source of our emotional health. In the world of chakra healing, understanding and nurturing this energy center can lead to profound transformations. The heart chakra, or Anahata, is more than just a metaphor. It's a fundamental part of our spiritual anatomy. So, what exactly is the heart chakra, and why does it matter so much? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. The heart chakra, known as Anahata in Sanskrit, is the fourth of the 7 primary chakras. It's located at the center of the chest, just above the heart. This chakra is the meeting point of the physical and spiritual, connecting the lower 3 chakras to the upper 3. It's often associated with the color green, symbolizing its vital role in our spiritual growth and the blossoming of our inner being, much like a leafy tree reaching for the sky. The heart chakra is the embodiment of love, compassion, and empathy. It's the powerhouse of our emotional self, governing our feelings of love, kindness, affection, and compassion. It's where we foster our relationships and how we perceive them. It's the chakra that encourages us to love unconditionally, to feel deeply, and to experience life with passion and vibrancy. Now, why does it matter so much? A well-balanced heart chakra allows us to be empathetic, to love ourselves and others, and to experience deep, meaningful connections. It helps us to be at peace with ourselves, to forgive, and to move on from past hurts. It's the chakra that encourages us to live our lives with kindness, compassion, and understanding. But what happens when this chakra is out of balance? An imbalanced heart chakra can lead to a variety of issues. You may experience feelings of jealousy, codependency, or isolation. You might hold on to grudges, unable to forgive or let go. You might find yourself feeling disconnected, unloved, or unwanted. Remember, balance is key. A balanced heart chakra enables us to experience the full spectrum of emotions without being overwhelmed. It allows us to love and be loved, to feel and express empathy, and to nurture meaningful relationships. It's the chakra that encourages us to embrace life with an open heart and an open mind. The heart chakra is the bridge between our physical and spiritual selves, playing a crucial role in how we interact with the world around us. Just as each chakra has a specific purpose, it also has specific crystals associated with it. Crystals play an integral role in chakra healing. They are nature's gifts, each bearing unique energy frequencies that resonate with our chakras. When it comes to the heart chakra, there are several crystals that can aid in balancing and healing. First, we have the rose quartz, often referred to as the love stone. This crystal resonates with the heart chakra's energy of unconditional love and compassion. Its soft pink hue mirrors the gentle, nurturing nature of the heart. Rose quartz encourages us to open our hearts, not just to others, but also to ourselves, promoting self-love and forgiveness. Next is the green aventurine, a crystal known for its ability to soothe and calm the heart. Its energy helps to balance emotions, encouraging us to release negative feelings and embrace positive ones. The green aventurine is also said to attract luck and prosperity, making it a crystal that truly speaks to the heart's desires. Finally, we have rhodonite. This powerful crystal is often associated with emotional healing. Its energy is said to help us process and release past wounds, enabling us to move forward with a heart that is ready to love and be loved. Rhodonite is a crystal of self-discovery and self-respect, reminding us that we are worthy of love and compassion. These crystals, each with their unique properties, can help us tap into the energy of the heart chakra. By bringing these crystals into our lives, we can harness their energies to help us heal, balance, and open our hearts. They serve as reminders of the innate love and compassion that resides within each of us. Remember, it is not about the size or the shape of the crystal, but the intention with which you use it that truly matters. So whether you wear them as jewelry, carry them in your pocket, or place them in your meditation space, these crystals can be powerful tools in your journey towards heart chakra healing. These crystals, each with their unique properties, can help us tap into the energy of the heart chakra and promote emotional healing and balance. Now that we know which crystals are associated with the heart chakra, how do we use them for healing? This is a question that many of us ponder. There are several ways to harness the power of these crystals to heal and balance our heart chakra. One of the most effective ways is through meditation. As you meditate, hold your chosen crystal in your hand or place it on your heart. The crystal's vibrations will interact with your heart chakra's energy field, encouraging it to open and align. As you breathe in and out, visualize the crystal's energy filling your heart chakra, dissolving any blockages and restoring its natural rhythm. Another powerful method is to wear these crystals as jewelry. Wearing heart chakra crystals close to your body allows their energy to constantly interact with your aura. This can help maintain balance in your heart chakra throughout the day, promoting feelings of love, compassion, and harmony. You can also place these crystals in key areas of your home. This not only brings their healing energy into your space, but also serves as a visual reminder of your intention to heal and balance your heart chakra. But remember, the most important element in chakra healing is intention. Your intention sets the tone for your healing journey. It's your personal statement of what you wish to achieve. Whether you are seeking to release emotional pain, foster self-love, or cultivate compassion for others, your intention will guide the energy of the crystals and enhance their healing effects. So, as you meditate with your crystals, wear them, or place them in your home, keep your healing intention at the forefront of your mind. Imagine it as a beam of light, guiding the energy of the crystals to where it's needed most. With the right crystals and a clear intention, you can open up pathways for love, compassion, and inner peace in your life. This is the power of crystals in heart chakra healing. Embrace it and let it guide you towards a more balanced and fulfilled existence. As we journey through life, the heart chakra plays an essential role in our emotional and spiritual well-being. Today, we've journeyed through the realm of the heart chakra, understanding its profound significance in our lives. We've unraveled its intricacies and how it serves as a potent bridge between our earthly and spiritual selves. We delved into the world of crystals, those magnificent gifts of nature, each with its unique energy and healing properties. These crystals, when used with intention, can help us balance and heal our heart chakra. We've learned about the likes of rose quartz, green aventurine, and rhodonite, each with their unique resonance with the heart chakra and their potential to amplify love, compassion, and emotional balance. Remember, the heart chakra is your bridge to love and connection. Nurturing it with intention and the power of crystals can make a significant difference in your life. Subscribe and like if you found this video helpful, and join us again as we explore more about the world of chakras and healing crystals.